Good morning, this is Joe with Bug and Weed Mart with your tip of the month for October. And if you survive the monsoon season, you might be seeing some weeds out there. Let's talk about pre-emergence. Pre-emergents are a phenomenal way to prevent weeds in grass, in rock, desert areas, just about anywhere you don't want weeds to grow. You can safely apply these products using your garden hose and a little appliance like this. Twice a year, keep weeds growing, very easy to do. Now, you want to do it ideally in September, October, November, so we're right in the heart of a good period to do it this time of the year. We can show you how to do it. You'll spend, $5, $6 for 1,000 square feet at the most. So it's fairly economical. Come see us, we'll fill in all the blanks for you. It's very simple, you'll be weed free, and you won't have to pay somebody to go pick weeds or pick weeds yourselves. And the amount of money that you'll save just from that will make you very happy. Come see us.